Yo, what's happening, boys? It's Solar Sky here, and I know I don't usually make these videos where we talk about this specific topic. Usually, I make gaming videos or IRL videos. I make my favorite videos. I make gaming tutorial videos, and now I'm making these type of videos where I help people to earn a little something online. The reason why I'm doing this video is I don't usually do videos like this. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I got a DM from my boy. I don't want to mention his name or anything like that. I got a DM from him asking me to please make a video like this, or not make a video like this. He basically just asked me, how can I do this? Can you take me through it? Because I'm really struggling. It's been hard ever since we left school. I haven't gotten anything, and so on and so forth. He really just needs the help right now. So he said I can make a video out of it if I wanted to, just to let other people know. And I thought, hey, I don't have a video, so I might as well just make this one. Also, before we get into this video, I do want to give a shout out to the subscriber of the week. I wanted to say thank you to you guys. It's probably 3 of you. I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for subscribing to the channel. If you do want to be mentioned or stand a chance to be mentioned on the channel as the subscriber of the week, then you should definitely subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and comment below if this helps you. I do plan on making future videos like this where I help people earn a little something from online stuff, like working online and doing things like that, because we know the current situation out here. I plan on making more videos like this, finding out, googling, researching more methods on earning more, and trying it for myself before I make videos on it. I don't just want to make a video on something that I don't trust. Which brings me to today's video. Why I'm making this video and who am I talking about in this video. Today we're talking about remote tasks in this video. The reason why I'm talking about them is because when I left school, or more or less 2020 and 2021, when I was at home doing nothing, I was on remote tasks also. And the reason I brought them up is because they do actually pay you. They do really pay you money, but it's kind of a tricky way. They pay you through PayPal. Okay, they're gonna be paying you through PayPal. So if I'm not mistaken, you do link your PayPal account to your FNB account, banking account. If you don't have one, you need to make an FNB account online for international currencies and linking of PayPal, so you can take your PayPal money into your FNB account, and then you can transfer it into your normal bank account. So basically what remote tasks is a website where they give you like tasks and stuff, where there's usually standard tasks. I keep looking at it. There's standard tasks on the website. You do these tasks for, let's say, how much can I say, an hour. You have the potential of making $2 or $3 per hour. Hopefully, that is if you're doing a very good job, right? Like if you've given a task, of course you've given training. You are given training before you do these tasks and everything like that. You've given training, and the amount of accuracy you get depends on how much you get and the amount of time. So what I've seen for myself is when I started out, I used to do the tasks like quick, like marking a window out, marking this out, marking that out, basically. And I used to take like 5 minutes on one task, and then my payout would be like 50 cent, right? It would be like a 50 cent. And yeah, in US dollars, straight, no tax, nothing, 50 cent. So what I realized later, what happened was, I took longer, I got a better accuracy, and then it went gradually from 70 cents to $1 for one task. And I was like so excited and so crazy, because this I did in a half an hour I got $1. So this is the conversion rate. Let's say you're doing it for an hour, you're getting $2. Okay, so this is how much you'll be making from $2, okay, an hour. Let's say you work 8 hours per day, Okay, it depends on how much hours you can work. You can work as many hours as you want. It is unlimited tasks every single day. When you wake up, it's not like a whole bunch of tasks you give. No, it's unlimited tasks. You can do as much tasks as you want to. So now that I've explained remote tasks to you, let's move on to the laptop, and then I'll show you guys the website itself. Okay, so here we are on the PC in Google. We're searching YouTube. What I want to do is remote tasks. I'm spelling it wrong, but who cares? Okay, so obviously the first link is going to be remote tasks itself. Okay, and as you can see, earn in US dollars doing online tasks from home. Okay, so I should just be able to log in, because as I said, I've been doing this for quite a long time. Let's go in with Google. Don't think I'll be able to show my... Okay, it's automatically logging me in still till this day. Perfect. Okay guys, here we are in remote tasks. As you can see here, 2021, this is my throwaway account. This account I actually tried to make more money on. So this wasn't my main account actually, this is the secondary account, because on my main account my tasks got a bit too much for me. Well, I wouldn't say that, I'd say I got lazy. And then I started a new account with my second Google account, and I just used to do a little bit of a task here and there. So I did like 1 or 2, actually 3 tasks, as you can see. So as you can actually see here, these are the tasks. I did like 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. As you can see, 50 cents a task, 42 cents a task, 2 cents a task. Okay, as you can see, they have paid me out. Okay, that is my recent payouts. This is how remote tasks look. You can refer a friend and get $10. That $10, you do get paid every Tuesday. Every Tuesday. Refer a friend, you'll get $10. You'll start off lightly, earning like this, earning $1 an hour probably. I'll calculate. Let's say minimum $1 an hour. How much is $1 an hour? We'll calculate that. I should be calculating it on the screen right now because of my editing. And yes, this is basically what remote tasks look like. Okay, this is where your tasks are. You're gonna go here and you can do courses. Courses is the training before you've been given a new task, basically. Okay. So that's the courses. This is everything of mine. As you can see here is with the accuracy. My accuracy is 94%, but because the task was very easy, like super easy, I've gotten that little bit of payout. And what this one was, if I'm not mistaken, was transcribing, basically listening to something and typing it out. That is what I got paid for. Yes, so basically tasks range from transcribing, which is listening and typing out, also from training LiDAR. LiDAR is basically, LiDAR you get paid a lot, like a lot. Like LiDAR could probably be $4 to $5 an hour, but LiDAR you do need to do specific training, get everything in order. I can do LiDAR because that's how big I am. But yes, LiDAR you get paid out a lot. LiDAR is self-driving cars basically, so you're busy with the AI behind that, like training it. Say for example, there's a LiDAR sensor on a car, so now you need to scan the whole area, mark out different roads, streets, cars that are coming close to you, and all that basically. So that is what LiDAR is. You get paid a lot. You get paid a lot for LiDAR. I know the boot camp, there's also a boot camp where you can earn $200 if I'm not mistaken. I think you can only take the boot camp once. I was invited to the boot camp on WhatsApp, I remember. I didn't go because I thought I wasn't good enough for that. As you can see, here's the transcribing, the video annotation, okay, and the LiDAR also. So also what happens is they'll give you like a picture of a room. This is a common one. They'll give you like a picture of a room. Let's say my room, for example, like this, and then you need to mark out different objects like that, and then state that this is a monitor, that is a laptop, that is a ring light with a camera. You know, you need to mark out everything, and you need to be very accurate by how you mark it out. Okay, so when you do mark it out accurately, your accuracy goes higher and you get paid more. So that is remote tasks. You do your tasks day in, day out. As you'll see on your dashboard, your payment will increase. Yeah, your pending payment will go up, as you can see. So for example, if you end on $3 for today, tomorrow you go to $6, and you know, you go up and up and up because you're working basically. And then also you get paid every Tuesday. As I said, it will be transferred into your PayPal account. Yes guys, so from the PayPal you will take it into your FNB account. From your FNB account you will transfer it into your normal banking account. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, I'm gonna make tons more videos like this on how to make money online. So drop a subscribe, help me out, help me reach 1k. That is my goal for now. After I reached 500, I thought it was impossible to reach 500. Now I'm aiming big, I'm praying for 1k. Please do help me get to 1k. And if you're watching until this point in the video, I do want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for watching this video, boys. I hope everything works for you. I hope your situation gets better. I hope everything gets better. I'll see you next time. So, T. B.